This video is brought to you by Ibda Bank. There are approximately 1.8 billion Muslims in the world today, which is about 25% of the global population, and one that is growing at 2 times the global rate. Today's connected millennial Muslim are increasingly asserting their values online, expecting businesses to cater to their needs as a consumer. From halal food and lifestyle products, the halal economy is flourishing in parallel with the increasing ethical fair trade business. It's estimated that the halal food and lifestyle product sector will increase at a rate of nearly 11% a year until 2019 to reach a total market value of $3.7 trillion. The halal food industry is one of the biggest markets in the halal sector, worth around $632 billion annually. Ironically, around 80% of the halal trade is done by non-Muslim countries, both in the West and East, who have become perhaps the biggest patrons of the halal phenomenon. More and more startup companies are gearing towards global urban Muslim consumers, adapting religious preferences into wider frameworks and trends. A great example of this is London-based on-demand television channel Al-Kemia, known as the Muslim Netflix. The fast-paced growth of this growing sector is creating a wealth of opportunity for the Islamic finance market, a sector that was estimated to be worth $1.8 trillion in 2014 and projected to rise to $3.2 trillion by 2020. The availability of Shari'ah-compliant financial products has expanded exponentially, while opportunities for cross-border halal partnerships are also on the rise. Assets in Islamic banking are growing at 17% per annum, outpacing the 15% growth in conventional banking assets. In the coming years, Islamic banking assets are predicted to increase by 19%. The value of Islamic banking assets with commercial banks in international markets at around $778 billion. The halal economy may in fact be the 21st century solution to what the International Monetary Fund describes as secular stagnation. Ibda Bank. Investment ingenuity.